Here are 6 ways to open File Explorer in Windows. Number 1. Press Windows plus E. Number 2. Click the File Explorer icon on your taskbar. Number 3. Open the Start menu, type File Explorer, and click on File Explorer. Number 4. Press Windows plus R, type Explorer, and hit Enter. Number 5. Open Task Manager, Control plus Shift plus Escape. Click Run New Task, type Explorer, and click OK. Number 6. Open Command Prompt, PowerShell or Windows Terminal. Type Explore and press Enter. Which method do you use the most? Let me know in the comments and follow your online IT help desk for more Windows tips.